Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. This is a solar charger we're checking out today. It's a portable power bank that can charge your phones, your laptop, or whatever, and it can be solar charged. So let's check this thing out here. Oh, I open it up and it starts charging off my light. So this is the device, and this is pretty cool. So it's 26,800 milliamp hours. I have a Google Pixel 2 XL. The battery, I believe, is around 3,000. So it can charge this thing almost 9 times. So this is a pretty good battery. A lot of cell phones have smaller batteries than that, so that's pretty impressive. This thing is pretty cool. So it charges with solar light, and it's got this nice, like, kind of a thick case. It's got a rubber impact sides on it here, so if you drop it, it's supposed to be kind of durable, meant for outdoor use. So if you're hiking or something, it's got a little tab here. You can throw it on your backpack or something. I think that flips out if I can get it. Just trim my nails. Whenever you need your nails, you just trim them. Anyways, I think that flips out. You can put a little lanyard over it, attach it to your backpack, have it charging while you're walking. It comes with a nice little, check that out. It's got a little compass in there, which is pretty cool. Also has, we got ourselves a flashlight right here. Let's see if we can't turn this thing on here. So hold it down. Light comes on. That's pretty bright. And push it again. It does an SOS here. Push it again, and it does like a strobe there. Push it again, it turns off. Okay, so that's pretty cool. But I didn't get it for the flashlight or the compass. I just got it because it's a nice thing if you're going to need to charge your phone for whatever reason. So it's really not that much bigger than my actual phone. It's almost identical in like dimensions, like as far as height and width. And just thickness. It's just thicker, about twice as thick. So pretty cool there. I like the fact that it charges with solar, so you can just kind of set it out in the sunshine and it's going to charge this thing up. I wonder how long it would take. Okay, let's move on. In here, what we have is, looks like a USB 1 and USB 2 port. Let's see if I can get the light on there for you guys. And it has a Type-C outlet and a micro USB. I think maybe the micro USB is to charge this instead of just using solar only. I'm not exactly sure. If you guys can see the little readout lights here on the side, those are going up when it's charging, and when it hits the light. So that means it's actually getting a charge right now, and it's going up. So it's got green on the bottom and then one blue, and then the little lights are going up to the top. I mean, it's actually charging, I believe. So pretty cool device. Like I said, you can charge a lot of your different devices with this, and multiple times easily. Let's see what else I was going to talk about. Let's see what else is in the box. Actually, finish our unboxing. Has a user manual. We'll be checking that out. And as always, this is just the unboxing video. So I will be doing a demonstration and review also. So it has the USB to USB-C right here. Cord also in there. This thing runs about $40 on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want to. What else? I'm going to go charge this bad boy up all the way. Probably throw it out in the sun tomorrow, but it's always kind of nice, especially, a lot of power outages lately in California. People running out of their phone charge, which is one of the most important things to people, I guess, is their phone. So this is going to run your phone for about probably 10 times longer than it normally would. So not a bad deal to get one of these. And plus, you can throw it out in the sun to charge it. So super convenient, actually, for everyone that's getting their power shut off. This would be a really good thing. Our power went out the other night, and I was like, oh boy, I thought we got caught up in those rolling blackouts, but fortunately we didn't. So, all right, my friends, that's about it for this unboxing video. Pretty excited to check this thing out. I think it's a really good idea to have one of these. I will be doing a review and demonstration video shortly, so we'll see you then. Everyone take care and have a great day.